Welcome to another Botanicoin Crypto News update. President Donald Trump-backed Republicans are pushing for sweeping pro-crypto regulation changes for the cryptocurrency industry, but bipartisan skepticism is hindering progress, as lawmakers struggle to strike a balance between fostering innovation and mitigating potential risks. Despite cryptocurrencies' small current economic footprint, lawmakers believe they'll soon dominate global markets, and they're eager to get ahead of the curve. Rep. Dusty Johnson is leading the charge, citing blockchain tech's potential to transform industries over the next 20-30 years, from supply chain management to healthcare and even the way we vote. He aims to establish clear guidelines, sparking domestic innovation and giving the U.S. an edge over China, which is rapidly advancing in the field. However, Democrats and some Republicans are hesitant, fearing overly restrictive regulations could stifle growth or push innovation abroad, ultimately benefiting rival nations. They worry that stifling crypto could have far-reaching consequences, such as missing out on tax revenue and losing out to countries with more crypto-friendly policies. If you are looking to get in on one of the hottest new cryptocurrency projects and pre-sales, head on over to Botanicoin.com. Botanicoin makes it easy for business owners to accept crypto in-store and online. Create an account in less than 60 seconds and start your crypto journey.